Cat's like, all right.
Yeah.
Poor cat's just trying to get comfortable.
Yeah, those are
Wow, look at that. He's moving pretty good. Is
He's a little bit nervous.
Is it supper time?
No, he's afraid.
Oh.
I've never seen furniture move that fast.
And you never will again.
He's all a butt.
Because now he's going to go sit on the couch and pee all over it.
Yeah, probably. Put the gate up.
And that's what you get for scaring me.
Charlotte, come here.
Jane, she told us that she could go down there, she could sit on your lap.
Oh, okay. I think she decided it was time to go in the house when all the clang banging started.
Too hot.
Yeah.
Well, that's always like unique.